A very Merry Christmas to all my viewers. My name is Rain, founder of Forex Channel Academy Private Limited. So today in Christmas itself, I will be recording a special edition. I will send this video right up to you or before the editing is done. Reason being I'm not in my office right now, I'm traveling. So I will be reading out the price for you, and of course I will patch up the editing for you on Wednesday when I get back to office. However, I'm right now in a very lovely place in Penang. 38 stories and perfect view to see the Georgetown as well as the sea view and stuff like that. Georgetown is basically the Clarke Quay of Singapore, something like that. It's the town area where the happening spots are. Personally, I'm not a fan of Penang laksa, never love it. I tried it in Singapore when I was really young, don't like the taste, but guess what, when I'm here, I have like 2 Penang laksa the day after the next. Okay, so far that's I think quite enough for my trade itself, or rather my trip itself. All right, so today it really depends whether your brokerage is open or not for you to engage trade and stuff like that. I'm glad that mine is open. Basically FX shouldn't be affected. The one that is being affected is your commodities, your futures, your stock market. However, I must say that even today the FX market is open. There isn't much activity, or at least without any surprise, like sudden talk of US debt ceiling, like who's working today, right? And touch wood, terrorist attack and stuff like that. If not, I don't see any reason for the market to move for today, even for tomorrow. However, the advantage of having the market to open today for the FX trader is that if you like to do some amendments to your trade and stuff like that, you can do so. There's no need for you to be panicked about the market movement, or you have to make some adjustment for the trade. Euro dollar moved 26 pips since market open till now. So it does have a bit of movement, but I don't encourage any traders to trade, especially if you are planning for intraday trade, meaning you say that you just want to trade within a day and you are looking to exit the market by end of the day. Personal recommendation not to do so unless you're swing trading. You enter a position based on a higher time frame, 1 hour chart or 4 hour chart. That probably can if it reach the level you're looking at. Apart from that, stay out from trade, enjoy your holiday. But of course, without any delay, as promised, every Monday I'll do my level best to share with you the market movement, whether is it bullish or bearish for the 3 main currency pairs, and of course the 4 main currency riding on 3 currency pair, mainly euro dollar, pound dollar and dollar yen. So without any delay, I have with you and not holding you back, shall we let's dive into the chart itself. Okay. So today for euro dollar itself, if you have been looking at the previous video I did share something like market is on sideways, don't get involved in it and stuff like that. Of course, I have my trading strategies. I think I engaged it like on Wednesday, if I'm not wrong, last Wednesday. So I shorted the market came down, bam, hit my target 1, retraces back. And I really placed my stop loss to entry, so not much of the issue for myself. Pretty happy with this trade. Alright, so I think I shorted somewhere over here, this price. Sorry about the back light, I can't see really clearly. Yeah, so it's about Wednesday, so you do some counting on the candles. Yeah, it's Monday, Friday, Thursday when I see today trade, because market is not in my favor as per se right now. Market create a new low, went up, create a new high, came down, a higher low is created. Nothing is confirmed yet, because this could be quite a strong hold up of resistance as well as this. As a trader myself, Yes, I am a bit biased. I do hope that this level hold and it slide all the way to my take profit level. But as an analyst myself, you can see that a higher low is created. Market might really create a higher price as it move higher. Alright, so traders take note, euro dollar might be turning to a bullish movement itself. Not saying that you can't short the trade, it just mean that if you are shorting euro dollar, you are counter trend trading. So one of the tip I would like to give to trader counter trend trading, do not take a standard target as your only target. You can do so, but my take is you just take some profits as and when the market is moving to the next level. Yep. So the next pair, I think I have some challenge looking at the chart because of backlight. But the next pair we're looking at pound dollar itself. Market did create a higher low, and of course pound dollar is on a bullish run. Alright, and of course you do see that I have a counter trend trade set up, waiting to short this pair. Stop loss already in place. That's only if you have a plan on that, and of course if you are counter trend trading, like what I say, the first target is very important. So I'll decide only till it's being broken of my previous analysis, or the trade has activated and stuff like that. So pound dollar overall trend bullish is a pretty good example that you still can place a sell trade, alright, even it's a bullish market. Let's take a look at dollar yen itself. Dollar yen this week is pretty tricky. The market is looking at US debt ceiling. I need to do more read up on that. I might be sharing a few video on the go for today. These 2 days I'm on holiday itself. I'll be sharing my take on those pairs, and I'd like to post it to you. Just follow me on all social media. I have my personal blog rainlim.com, might be posting there and stuff like that. In Facebook, just look for my Facebook page, rainlim.biz, biz. Alright, so follow me there. Highly likely I'll be sharing the video over there, because I don't want to clutter my company page and stuff like that. Alright, with videos on the go. Alright, so dollar yen itself, as we can see, over here the market created a new structure low. We test, this is the resistance. We test again. I did some checking on a slightly lower time frame, even for 4 hours. It does have some sign of a possible shorting opportunity. Going to develop a trade plan to tackle this dollar yen trade. Highly likely pretty good reward is the risk ratio profile. On top of that, there is this US debt ceiling. Alright, so if you like to get connect to all the social media I have, just give me a buzz and I will just PM you with all the social media I have and stuff like that. I did share some of the party scenes, not the camera is not directed to me, but some of the nice places, the food places and stuff like that, just for fun. But that will be all in my personal social media, not the company social media. Alright, so it's Christmas. I'm going out with some friends to try some like unique food. It's really unique, like lobster nasi lemak and stuff like that. I'll share with you more in my Snapchat. Try to search Rinlim if you're interested to find out more on food and stuff like that. I'll be posting some over there. And last but not least, have fun, Happy New Year, and I'll see you on the next video, which I believe it should be New Year Day. And if I don't see you anytime sooner, a very Merry Christmas, wishing all of you a prosperous as well as a happy year ahead in 2018. Till then, I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye for now.